Hi girls, welcome back to my channel Beautiful You. So today we are going to do reviewing of my Lady Raga bag for the month of August 2016. This time Lady Raga has sent a clutch type bag and it's really pretty. Actually in the photograph I thought that it is going to be pink in color, but it is little bit purplish in color. But it looks good. See the quantity. We have got one pocket here and this bag. It's really pretty. So let's go for the contents. So the first thing that I have got is this card from Lady Raga, and it's Independence Day card. And as I am late in reviewing the products, actually I am late because um, I got transferred, and now I have to travel long distances, and I'm not able to shoot as many videos as possible. I'm doing it right now because today is Janmashtami and I have got a holiday. So I thought, why not share my things with you girls? So I'm really sorry if any of you have missed my videos, but from now on, if I manage things slight bit, so I will do shoot the videos as soon as possible as I get the products. So I'm really sorry that this time I'm late, but from next month onwards I will take care that I shoot it as soon as possible. Okay, so the first product I have got is this. So this is an Vedic recipe upton. It smells like upton, like what do you say, havan samagri kind of thing. So it smells like that. So this is the upton that we have got, and it's in a glass bottle. You can see glass test tube bottle, as if I want to experiment something like we did when we were little kids, and in 9th or 10th when we have to do science experiments, we used to do it in these glass bottles. So it reminds me of that. So this is the upton that I have got. It's Vedic recipe with crystal therapy. So it's from Susagad Soul. So the price of this is, okay, this is 650 rupees for 150 grams, and I don't know whether it is 150 grams or not, because I think it's the weight of the bottle that I am able to feel. I can't tell how much contents are there. So the second thing that I have got is this Pep detox face wash. So this is the face wash that I have got. Okay, so it contains neem and aloe vera extract and permitted colors aqua. So this is the thing. Let's smell it, how it smells. Mm, it smells like almond, not almonds, apricot, sorry, bad me. So it smells like apricot and it smells delicious actually. Why do they make things with such fruity smell that I want to eat food or fruit, whatever. It makes me remind of food, and I am a very foodaholic. So this is the second thing that I have got, and the price of this is, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, this is 120 rupees for 50 ml, and let me see, it's 50 ml or not. Yes, I think it is 50 ml. So this is 150 rupees. The third thing that I have got are these zero sugar, as if Lady Raga knew that I am on dieting and I want to lose weight. So that's why they have sent me these sugar free. So these are the three sachets that I have got, and it's 100% natural, 0 calories, stevia sweetener, zero sugar, with no aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin. So these are the things that I have got. So the cost of this is 250 rupees for 250 grams, but I don't think that these three are 250 grams, so most probably these are sample products. The fourth thing that I have got is this. These are the anklets that I have got, and you can see these are very beautiful anklet, like, seriously, right? Pearls, a girl's favorite, always my favorite too. So I like these. So the cost of these is 550 rupees. So beautiful pearls anklets. The fifth thing that I have got is, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, and ta-da! This is the necklace I have got. So you can see how it looks. So it looks something like this, you can see, right? It's a very beautiful piece of necklace with, seriously, like two stones, diamonds sitting here. So very beautiful. The fifth product, that is a gift that Lady Raga always sends. So this is the Belprayer Cosmetics, and it's something like this. I can use it as an eyeshadow or a bronzer if I want to. So see, beautiful, beautiful copper color, a beautiful, beautiful copper color, very, very beautiful. So this is the sixth product I have got. So as papa, my opinion, I like Lady Raga bag. So because they have sent jewelry, they always send jewelry, and that's why this bag is my favorite, and I just love it. So these are the products that I have got in my Lady Raga bag. And again, I am very sorry that I am shooting this video very late, but next time onwards I will take care of that I do it on time. So do subscribe to my channel, please like this video if you like. So take care, bye bye.